Alright, it's Jeff from Pointing Down Performance. I'm going to show you guys the Stage 3 sideways twin turbo header setup with 3-inch downpipes. It's going to be a 1 3/4 primary header, a flange of your choice. We basically, for the Stage 3, offer anything and everything besides Yates, at least not yet. So, got a 3-inch cold side piping for the intercooler to the throttle body, car bonnet. Got a couple different things going on here. And then we got 2.5-inch going from the intercooler up to the turbo. Unfortunately, you do have to do a tiny bit of trimming on this setup to get these to sit up right. It's just a necessary evil if you want to get a nice race kit like this. And these are going to be the front exit pipes. I have extensions still to weld onto them. I already have them set up. I just haven't welded them because I don't want to take them off, weld them up, and then have to rebolt them back up. I'm already behind some. So that's it. Let me point the camera around. Still have to finish welding up the header, the flange, downpipe, header. This side's already welded up. Cold side's all welded up. Let's go and snap some pictures so you guys can see different angles. I'll put them in the video. Sideways. Never mind my huge mess. Things have been super busy here. For it being January, mid-January, we're just as busy as if it was, say, tax time, and maybe not as busy as tax time, as busy as summertime. So this is usually the time that we get to catch up on orders and take care of other things, work on other stuff. And I have not had no time for that. So that's it. Just want to show you guys this setup. This is a race setup. Alternator, crank pulley, March alternator kit will go and make this really nice. Always make sure leave room for the serpentine belt. And with the adjustable downpipes with the V-bands here, you can rotate things